Wha Gwann, everybody. Today we're on the hunt for cracked conch. I hear when in Bahamas you have to try cracked conch. Cracked conch is basically conch that's been made tender, sliced and diced into small pieces, and then put in an egg wash. After it's put in an egg wash, it's then put in flour, seasoned flour, dropped in a deep fryer, and crispy fried conch.
Conch, a tropical marine mollusk or snail, is commonly found throughout the Caribbean. There are many species of conch throughout the world. Queen conch is typically what is eaten. Similar to calamari, conch meat is firm, white, with a somewhat chewy texture.
So this is one of the must-have conch dishes in the Bahamas, cracked conch. They have different ways of doing crack. There's cracked chicken, there is cracked lobster. We tried that in Abaco, and now we're having cracked conch here at Bamboo Shack in Nassau.
Can I get 3 cracked conch snacks? 3? 3.
Oh, you say cracked conch?
Yes.
Oh,
you don't have cracked conch?
No, not true. I understand. I lied.
What's happening?
Sorry.
Do you have cracked conch?
Yeah.
Yes, alright, thank you.
Can I get 3 cracked conch snacks?
What does it get you?
Yeah, and then you want mayo? 1 plain, 1 with ketchup hot sauce mayo, and 1 with ketchup hot sauce mayo onion.
Hold on. No. I need some of that. Give me some. What do you recommend?
I do mayo. I don't like the onion on it.
How would the general public have it?
Just with the ketchup and hot sauce.
Alright, let's go with that.
Okay. You can actually put the ketchup hot sauce on the other one.
Pardon me?
You can put ketchup hot sauce on the plain one.
Okay.
Yeah, that's how it comes.
Perfect.
And then people add
That's
mayo.
it?
That's it.
That's 48, 48, 60. Here you go.
Thank you.
So we were lucky to be able to get cracked conch. Usually they run out. It's something that goes in like hot bread. And to have it here at Bamboo Shack, this is a downtown location on, well, I mean, I remember the street, but it place look nice, and it really has its own ambience, its own atmosphere. There's outside dining. You walk up to the window, you order your cracked conch, your cracked chicken, or different foods that they have, and then it's just from a window. You get it out in the boxes, and you go and enjoy it wherever you please.
This is not a drunk food. It has to be enjoyed with all your senses, you know, fully immersed in the experience. 136? Thank you.
Thank you.
We also got a Fanta here.
146 has got what?
Mayo. Great. Thank you. Precious cargo.
Precious cargo, right. Normally we would sit and have it at the location, but today is a wet, stormy day in Nassau, so we're going to take it and head back to have it. Wha Gwann. Everything blessed?
Yes, sir.
Respect, man,
Yes,
respect.
Sir. Bamboo Shack, the best chicken shack in the Bahamas.
Yeah, man, chicken.
Xavier no tell you that. Food boss can let us know later.
Yeah, man, what about the cracked conch?
Oh, I ordering 2 of them right now.
I just ordered 3.
Yes, sir.
Alright, respect, man.
Yes,
Big
sir.
up.
Yes, sir.
Who would buy nuggets when you have cracked conch?
You'd be surprised how long the McDonald's line is. That's the drunk food.
That looks good.
That one is the onion. This is how normally it comes. Yeah. And then you can add the mayo or add the mayo and onion.
Poison.
I can hear you.
I always go for the fries first.
If you
And
want
tell
me
me
to.
about crack conch.
Why do you like onions on it?
Oh, ketchup and mayo is a standard thing. It's like a special sauce, but the added onions adds kind of like a tartness that goes to counteract the
Not the
sweetness of the
tartness.
conch.
Love
Okay.
that. The acidity and the tartness.
The tartness.
I always go for the conch first because I can eat the fries whenever.
So cracked conch, one of the most famous Bahamian dishes, it got the name because of the way you tenderize the conch. Some people hammer it, beat it, and just prepare it in that egg wash and flour batter. You can see how golden fried it is, and I got what most Bahamians would get, which is just hot sauce and ketchup, and that becomes the dipping sauce or the condiment of choice with that. So there you have it. It's deep fried and you get that fluffy, crispy texture. And they just added some ketchup and some hot sauce to it. And it's something very addictive, similar to the name. That conch is tender. And the flour is seasoned well. I mean, this is a mainstay. It's usually served with French fries. It can be served with peas and rice, and also a sweetbread is what typically it's served with in the Bahamas. So either way, you can't go wrong. You're having something that's totally Bahamian, totally indigenous to the Bahamas, and really something that's one of a kind, and one of my favorite ways to eat conch as well. But this is not drunk food, as my cousin Catherine said. This is food that you want the essence, you want the flavor, you want the taste of it. This is something that was probably #1 on my list, coming over here and having true Bahamian cracked conch. I really can't get over how tender they get the conch. It literally is not chewy at all. It just melts away in your mouth. The ketchup gives it an added boost, sweetens it, and the pepper sauce is not really that hot. So you're getting just added flavor of the pepper, the ketchup on it. Similar to almost like, you know what this is similar to? This is like a barbecue KFC chicken just done with conch. So the name from reading tells me that it's the crack name is the way it's used to tenderize the conch. And either with a meat mallet or with a frying pan, just hammering it and basically making it tender. I mean, the way I see it, I really thought cracked conch is really good. It's probably as addictive like sweetbread or like a roll. I had to bite piece already, that's all. Take this and just chop it up. The cracked conch is basically right between fried calamari and fried chicken. It's seasoned, but not seasoned with black pepper, so you get the flavor of the conch still. The history dates back to around 1953 when some families of Greek Orthodox were fasting, and during that fasting period you're not allowed to have meats, but seafood is accepted. It's said that during that time they wondered, what can we do with the conch apart from stewing it, because conch is so tough. It can be very rubbery and very tough. So what was said is that they grabbed a bottle, a glass bottle, beat the conch with the glass bottle, hammered it out, and just dredged it in the egg wash and flour, and then deep fried it. That now has become a staple throughout the Bahamian scene and throughout the Bahamas on different islands. A lot of people, most Bahamians, flock to their favorite places to go and get cracked conch on any given day. And there are many places, each person has their own place, their own favorite place to go and get cracked conch. Ours is Bamboo Shack. Bamboo Shack has many locations throughout Nassau, and I hear there's even one in Florida, in Miami. So the history is just something that just came up about of another means to try the conch, the staple of Bahamian, one of the staples of Bahamian food, and that's how cracked conch was born. The drink of choice with cracked conch, what Bahamians say, is Vitamalt, which is a Malta pretty much. Unfortunately, they didn't have any at Bamboo Shack. They were all sold out, so we get a soda. So, I mean, just trying this, get out of there. The cracked conch. It's firm, it's lightly crunchy. Sweetness of it, our conch meat is sweet, but also the ketchup and the spiciness of the hot sauce, which gives you it's almost a little tangy as well. So the experience is it's light, it's a light crunchy batter. The meat is firm, it's savory, it's sweet, spicy, and a little tangy. So it's hitting the right flavor profiles all throughout the dish. And really, really something that's truly Bahamian. Because I didn't get any onions, I'm going to add some lime to it. A little more acidity. Make that flavor pop a little more. So once you add it, it's just going to provide a little more pop of acidity. I feel like the lime enhances the conch flavor. Brings that sweet meat out and just gives you an undeniable boost in flavor from the acidity of the lime. Get a piece of so really true. So depending on the part of the conch and how it's done, you can get pieces that are just silky smooth and pieces that are on the greater side are tough, chewy.
Welcome to the Daiquiri Shack, popularly known as Dak Shack. This place is just a vibe. Fresh daiquiris being blended up using fresh fruits, good old Caribbean rum, and great energy and vibes. It's a non-stop party and a popular stop for locals and for visitors to Nassau.
Just a bunch of vibes with the French guys. I'll show you the Dak Shack thing. Getting all of them juices out with its own natural food ingredients, fresh fruit. This is just simply amazing. I mean, the ambience, the vibe, the spirit.
This type of vibe and atmosphere just really hit home with me. One of my first businesses that I opened while I was in school was a daiquiri shack or a juice bar similar to this that was called Cool and Irie, where we operated on cruise ship days. I basically did all the drinks making stuff like this.
Well, you and the Bahamian one now?
Running it, daddy.
Yeah, man.
Hey, so what you guys saying again?
Huh?
What's for you guys?
I want a mango, strawberry. What else? Hit that.
Strawberry, mango, pineapple?
Yeah. Yes, thanks. Two of them, please. Yeah, man. You good for going? You good for going? Respect, brother. Bless up, Scott. Yeah, man. Big up with us, massive. Dak Shack. We're out.
I'll be right back.
Ah, Marco!
those about the group and the front right there. We'll start with this called proper. That is a proper ticket. Not all this thing. We can take everybody's celebrate the birthday and slide it tonight right quick.
The vibe, the energy, the people, you can't help but just to get captivated in it. We met a few Jamaicans in there, people with Jamaican ancestry, and everybody had a story and was just having a vibe in there. Unfortunately, the camera battery died and the rain was absolutely coming down, so I couldn't get back to the car to get one, so had to pop out the phone and just capture this amazing experience. The fresh daiquiris, the fresh fruits, the sweetener that he's using is homemade. He cuts everything up at home. Nothing is really prepared in the shop. Everything is just brought there and everything is done fresh daily.
I still got it, everybody start dancing your friend, like every girl start dancing your friend, come on. We go inside Chicago, so we feel like we have to play some song like this. All my sexy ladies start dancing.
This is that shop, and it's local fruits, fresh fruits right here. I have with a whole heap of vibes. Come in here and the guy has absolutely amazing new things, cafes, all different flavors. They got fresh fruit. Anytime you want that, they'll be available to do it. So this place is just absolutely small little place. The rain is coming, and literally now, look at that. Oh, big up, big up, big up. Respect. So I got a mango, strawberry, pineapple, and so did cat. I'm gonna try this. Yeah, man.
Hey guys,
brother.
this is strawberry, mango, pineapple. Yes, sir.
It's all ingredients that we use on sweetener. This for the company and make it what it is. But you're tasting it, you're getting the strawberry, you're getting that fresh mango. You're also getting pineapple that's in there.
So now it's time.